It's Will here at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. It's going to be showcasing this really awesome two-door 2022 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon. This is a super rare spec. It's going to come in the GOBI exterior paint. It's also going to feature a 6-speed manual transmission. Got the soft top. And this is a one owner, super low miles. So this one's going to come with the front and rear steel bumpers. You're also going to get the iconic 7-slot satin black grille. Got the vented hood up top. Now it doesn't look like this one's been lifted any, but we still got the factory 17-inch wheels. Got the paint to match fenders, which are also the Highline. Got rock rails. I'll open up this driver's door real quick, let you have a little interior glance. So this is going to come with the cloth black seats. Got the red Rubicon stitching just below the headrest. 6-speed manual transmission with that third pedal. This also is going to come with the cold weather package, so that's going to feature your heated steering wheel, your heated seats, and you also get the Mopar weather mats. Really like this red anodized dash. Really complements the GOBI paint. Gonna get the LED lighting. I mean, super clean. If you're looking for a unmodified Jeep, this would be a great one for starters. Kind of get a blank slate and do your own thing, your own build. So we have this available at Cross Jeep in Louisville, Kentucky. Now this one hasn't been through detail yet, so it's not on our lot, but I figure I'd give you guys like a first look before it does. You might be interested, feel free to check out our website. You can also give us a call at 502-459-9900. And my name is Will. I appreciate you guys sticking around. I'd really appreciate it if you guys like, comment, or subscribe down below. You can also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when we upload new content, which is daily. We're also on Facebook and Instagram, so be sure to check out all that as well. Thank you guys.